Hi, boys and girls. Sometimes technology can be a little tricky. So, depending on what kind of device you are using at home, the virtual garden may or may not have been able to come up on your screen. So, I'm going to walk you through some of the plants that are going to be growing in your virtual garden. We're going to start with the tomato plant. So, I'm going to find tomato right here, single click. And we all know that plants need special things in order for them to grow. It needs air, they need water, they need minerals from the soil. Well, in order to grow certain plants, you need to consider different conditions, like how much water will you need to give your plant when it's mature. That means when it's grown. So I think the tomato plant needs a lot of water. So I'm going to move my arrow up here to the 7. And that means that I'm going to need to water my tomatoes 7 days a week. And I'm going to go to the next condition. Will you plant it in the sun or the shade? Well, I know that tomatoes need a lot of sun, so I'm going to click sun. And now it asks how deep will you plant it? That's something else to consider if you're starting a garden. I'm going to plant my tomatoes 1 inch into the soil. And about what temperature should it grow? I'm going to choose, we're starting at 30 here, so I'm going to count by 10s, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And I think anywhere between 60 and 70 degrees might be a good temperature for tomatoes to grow. So I'm going to click right here and I'm going to hit next. And then it asks how far apart should the seeds be planted? Well, I know that tomatoes can grow to be pretty big, so I think I'm going to plant my tomatoes about 2.5 feet apart from one another. That means that one tomato seed is going to be 2.5 feet. That's what this little symbol right here next to the numbers mean. It has to be 2.5 feet away from the other seed. So now we're going to click next. And now we're going to find out if our seeds were planted correctly and if they were planted using the right conditions. Here we go. And look what it says. Good job. Your plants grew perfectly. So now that I know that my plants have grown perfectly, I'm going to try a new plant. See where it says try a new plant? I'm going to click that 1 time. And now let's try to grow some sunflowers. Let's see. How much will you water it when it's mature? That means how much water does my sunflower need when it is fully grown? I'm going to say that my sunflower will probably need to be watered, let's try 3 times a week. Will you plant it in the sun or the shade? The name of the flower is sunflower, so I'm going to choose sun. How deep will I plant it? They're pretty tall, so they probably need to be buried somewhat deep in the soil. I'm going to go about 1.5 inches deep. What temperature should it grow? Again, I'm thinking between 60 and 70 degrees. So I'm going to click right here on my thermometer. And how far apart should the seeds be planted? I'm going to say about 1.5 feet. And now I'm going to click next. And it says your seeds are now planted. Let's see if they grow. Oh no! I planted them too close together. I'm going to have to try it again. Now, the only thing that I've done wrong is plant them too close together. So that's the condition that I'm going to change. So I'm going to go over here to where it says try again. And here is where I'm able to change how far apart my seeds can be planted. Let's see if 2.5 feet. You know what? Let's try 2 feet. Let's see if 2 feet apart is far enough. Now I'm going to press grow. I'm going to click on grow. Oh, yay, good job. It says you planted, they grew perfectly, but we could have increased the yield if I planted them closer. So let's make it only 1.5 feet apart. Oh, and look at that. Our sunflowers grew perfectly. Let's try a new plant. Let's plant the corn. I'm going to say that the corn needs to be needs to be watered 4 times a week when it's grown. I'm going to plant my corn in the sun. And I think I'm going to plant my corn about 1.5 inches into the soil. Again, I think corn grows between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. And how far apart should my corn stalks be? I'm going to say about 2 feet apart. And let's see if our corn grows successfully. Good job! Your plants grew perfectly. Now let's try the next plant, cabbage. How much will you water it when it's mature? Cabbages don't need too much water. I think I'm going to try only watering them 2 times a week. I'm going to plant my cabbages in the sun, and I'm going to only bury them about, I think that's about 1 inch deep into the soil. Again, I'm going to say I'm going to plant my cabbages between 60 and 70 degrees. And I think my cabbages probably need to be, I don't know, 2 feet from one another. Let's see if the conditions for our cabbages will create successful plants. Let's see. Good job! Your plants grew perfectly. Now let's try a new plant, and this will be our last plant. These are pansies. Pansies are little flowers. They're sometimes purple or pink. They stay low to the ground. I'm going to try a new plant. Pansies. All right, pansies. I don't think pansies need too much water, so I'm going to say that they will need to be watered twice a week, probably if it's not too hot outside. And pansies do like the sun. I think pansies, like cabbages, only need to be buried about 1 inch into the soil. And like our other plants, I'd say between 60 and 70 degrees be a good temperature for pansies to grow. Now pansies are pretty small, so I think they can probably be planted pretty close together, maybe only 6 inches or 1/2 foot away from the other seeds. Let's see how our garden grows. Oh, and look at that. Good job. Your plants grew perfectly. Now, you have looked at the conditions for different plants that you may actually go and try to grow, not just in a virtual garden, but perhaps you can try to grow one of these plants in a real garden. And I sure would love to see pictures of any of your garden plants. Bye for now, boys and girls.